Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of dividing decimals. This is standard 5.3G in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 6 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a restaurant bill paid equally. All right, so we've got equal groups. So when you see any type of hint that we are dealing with equal groups, I'll let you know we're going to either multiply or divide. Paid equally by 7 friends. The bill was $99.96. How much money in dollars and cents did each person pay? So equally in each person, that's also giving us 2 clues. We're probably dealing with multiplication or division. So it looks like it's going to be something like this, right? So I've got that total amount. Let's see if I can break this into equal groups of 7 here. We're just going to pretend like those are equal groups, and I've got $99.96 as my total, and I just don't know how much each person paid, but I know there are 7 of them. So to me, that seems like it's going to be a division problem. So let's just go ahead and divide this, right? We're going to divide 99.96. We're going to divide that by 7 to see how much each person pays. So let's set this up as long division. 99.96. All right, so we learned about long division in 4th grade. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to divide with a decimal. Nothing really happens, except you just need to take that decimal that's in the dividend there, bring it up to the quotient bar, the answer bar, and you're good. So how do we divide? Well, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? That's the steps I always remember. So we're going to divide first, and we're going to multiply. We're going to subtract, check. Let's see here, check, and bring down. Those are the 5 steps. All right, so 7 divides into 9 one time. So then we multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. We're just dealing with a 9 right now. We subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. And then we check, is this remainder, or is this difference here smaller than the divisor? It needs to be. It is. 2 is smaller than 7, so we bring down just one number at a time. Just doing one number at a time here. So now we're just going to start over again, but we're going to divide 7 into 29. Oh, that's so close to going evenly. It's going to go in 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract 29 minus 28. Get you 1. Check, is that 1 smaller than the 7? Yes. Bring down 1 digit at a time. We're going to ignore the decimal. We already put it up in the quotient bar there. Start all over. 7 divides into 19 twice. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract. That's 5. Is 5 smaller than 7? Yeah, it's kind of close, but it is. So we checked it, and then we're going to bring down. This is our last one, because that's the last digit we've got here. And we're going to start all over again. 7 divides into 56. Wow, 8 times 7, 56. Nice. It's going to be nice and even. Subtract. Obviously, 0 is smaller, and there's nothing left to bring down, which means that's going to be answer 1428. Now, we have to bubble it in here. So if we look on our answer document, we're going to see a very thin column with just a decimal. There's no bubbles underneath it. 2 digits to the right of it. 3 digits to the left. All right, so we're just going to make sure we use 1428 right here. We don't need anything in that 100 spot. And we just need to bubble in the correct digits underneath. And that is our answer.